Mount Sarakura, Mincheongshan, rises above Kitakyushu as one of Japan's most celebrated viewpoints, famed for its sweeping panorama of city lights, coastline, and industry glowing after sunset. At 622 meters, it offers a front row seat to a dramatic transition from golden hour to a world-class night view, often ranked among Japan's finest, blending nature and city into a single cinematic scene.
I still remember how you said my name, like it was safe inside your mouth. We were standing in the wreckage of things we never talked about. I knew the rules, I knew the line. I crossed it every time you smiled. I told myself this wouldn't stay, but God, I wanted you to stay. I try to keep my distance, try to be strong, try to pretend my heart was wrong. But you felt like a truth I hid, like a life I almost lived. I knew how this was gonna end before we ever called it us. But loving you felt like breathing, and I forgot who I was. We said this has an expiration date, but we never checked the time. We fell in love when we shouldn't have, when every sign said turn back. Every touch was a quiet war, every kiss something we couldn't ignore. We knew the damage, knew the cost, still held on till we were lost. Yeah, we fell in love when we shouldn't have, and it ruined us, but it was real. Now your shadow lives in my phone, in messages I never send. I rehearse the things I'd say if I could be yours again. You said, don't make this harder, but letting go is worse. I'd rather hurt than never know how it felt when you were first. I still hear you in the quiet, when the night won't let me sleep. I chose the life I was supposed to, but it feels like I chose it over me. I smile like I'm okay now, but it's just a practice lie. Some loves don't fade with distance, they just learn how to survive. We try to be the good ones, but love didn't care. We fell in love when we shouldn't have, with everything to lose attached. Every promise we never made still hurts like it was yesterday. We knew the ending, knew the pain, still said your name, still stayed. Yeah, we fell in love when we shouldn't have, and walking away was the hardest part. If I'd met you at the right time, would you still be in my arms? If the world was kinder to us, maybe love wouldn't feel this hard. But timing was the villain, and we paid the price.